In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to dispute a transaction with Navi Federal. If you notice a transaction on your account that you didn't authorize or that looks incorrect, you can dispute it using one of these following methods. You can do it online. If you are using a web browser, you can log into your Navi Federal account, go to Dispute Transaction section, select the transaction you want to dispute, and follow the prompts to begin the dispute process. You can also use the mobile app. Open the Neo Federal mobile app, tap on the account associated with the transaction, find and select the transaction in question, choose the option to dispute it, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't use online banking or if you don't have an internet, you can use a phone. You can call to Neo Federal's member services. So here is the number. You can also Google the number. Here you can set the number, guys. Explain the issue to the representative and provide any details needed about the transaction. You can do it also by mail or fax. But there are some important notes. Make sure your contact info is up to date so you can receive updates about your claim. Neo Federal has a zero liability policy. If you report an unauthorized transaction quickly, you are protected from any paying for it. You typically must report a debit fraud within 60 days of your statement date. Dispute resolutions can take up to 19 days. During the time, you may not have to pay the disputed amount, but your available credit might be reduced unless a temporary credit is issued. So that's how you can dispute a transaction with Neo Federal. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.